See what the Lord has done. Can you see what the Lord has done? Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl, Evie. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. So today I bring to you this delicious cucumber salad recipe. So let's go. So I have my basic ingredients here. I'll be listing all in the description box, so you check it out, okay? So we have some cucumbers, some tomatoes, and the others. So over here, I have boiled my eggs for like about 10 to 12 minutes. So I am going to peel it. But for easy peeling and for my eggs to be intact, I put them in some ice cold water. Yes, this will help me remove the shells very easily, and also my eggs will be intact. Sometimes peeling of eggs can be very tricky and it can even spoil the shape of your eggs. But if you go according to this procedure, friends and family, you are safe. Yes. So now that my eggs are ready, I am going to start with the remaining ingredients. That I'm going to prep them. And then over here is my onions. So after cutting my onions, I will dip them in some vinegar and cold water solution. Yes, just to remove the harsh smell from my onions. So now I'm going to dice my cucumber and the rest of the veggies. I bet you, friends and family, you need to try this cucumber salad recipe. It's so nice, very simple to do, and tastes amazingly great. We all know cucumbers have lots of nutrients and they have antioxidant substance in it. So it's good we incorporate cucumbers in our dishes. So over here, I am assembling all my ingredients. That's the veggies. So now I add my eggs to it, and then we are almost done. Just look at how beautiful they are, very colorful and inviting. Yeah, so now I am preparing my salad dressing. So I'll be adding some mayonnaise, mustard, some lemon juice, some vinegar, and some ketchup. Yeah. So voila, our salad dressing is ready. And trust me, for this cucumber salad to be creamy, you need to add lots of salad dressing, but it's optional. It depends on the individual. But I want my creamy, like my sister Love Style and Sweet Ajeli. Ladies, you are doing great. So over here, I'm just going to stir them, but please make it gently, okay? And just look at how beautiful. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful, and it tastes beautiful as well. So I beg you, friends and family, sometimes try this salad recipe and you are gonna love it, okay? I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for how far we have come. It's the doing of the Lord, and it's so marvelous in my eyes. I want to thank all my new subscribers, my returning viewers, and everybody as a whole. God bless you, God bless you, God bless you. So if you like this video, just give your girl some thumbs up and share, okay?